Welcome to Fluent English with Shah. I'm beautiful and write beautifully. Today we are going to learn the structure of the present continuous tense, one of the most commonly used tense in English conversation. So let's begin our journey to fluent English step by step. Section 1. What is present continuous tense? The present continuous tense is used to talk about actions that are happening right now or around this moment. It can also be used to describe something that is ongoing or even something planned for the near future. Examples: I am watching a video. She is learning English. They are going to the market. So how do we build such sentence? Let's learn the structure. Section 2. Basic structure. Affirmative sentence structure. Subject plus am is are plus verb plus ing plus object. I am reading a book. He is writing a letter. We are playing football. Use of am is are. Use am with I. Use is with he, she, it or any singular noun. Use are with you, we, they are plural nouns. Example with different subjects. I am speaking, she is cooking, you are listening. Section 3. Negative sentence. Structure. Subject plus am is are plus not plus verb plus ing plus object. I am not sleeping. He is not playing. They are not studying. This helps us to say what is not happening at the moment. Section 4. Interrogative sentence. Yes, no question structure. Am is are plus subject plus verb plus ing plus object. Example: are you coming? Is she dancing? Am I doing it right? WH questions. WH word plus am is are plus subject plus verb plus ing plus object. What are you doing? Example: why is he crying? Where are they going? These question forms are very useful in daily conversations. Section 5. When to use present continuous. Use it for number 1. Actions happening right now. Example: I am talking to you. Number 2. Temporary actions. He is living in London these days. Number 3. Planned future events. We are meeting tomorrow. Number 4. Changing or developing situations. The weather is getting colder. Let's quickly revise. Present continuous. Am is are plus verb plus ing. Use for actions happening now or around now. Useful in daily life and future planning. Try make 5 present continuous tense and write them in the comments below. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Fluent English with Shah. See you in the next class. Keep practicing and stay confident. Thank you very much.